Are you tired of struggling with your makeup every morning? Poor lighting, smudges, and the constant battle to get that perfect look can make your routine frustrating. Our Touch LED mirror is here to save the day. It transforms your daily routine into a seamless experience. The mirror is fully waterproof, allowing you to clean off your makeup and any smudges with ease. No more worrying about water damage. It's built to withstand your daily routine. But that's not all. The mirror also features antibacterial properties that help keep your skin healthy. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling good too. And the best part, the touch sensor lights. With just a gentle touch, your mirror lights up, providing perfect illumination, especially during those early mornings or late nights. Every detail is illuminated, making your makeup application easier and more precise than ever. Why wait any longer? Enhance your beauty routine with the Touch LED mirror. It's more than just a mirror, it's a must-have addition to your daily life. Click the link below to order your Touch LED mirror today and experience the perfect blend of beauty, convenience, and technology.